Okay, so this is how much I've bled so far, and I was just sitting at my computer desk when my face started, I felt something warm dripping down my face, and I looked and it was blood, and then all of this blood just started pouring out, and it just keeps rolling out of my face, and I don't know why. I've got no cut there or anything, and it's just really weird because there's so much of it too. I'm gonna try to apply pressure and get it to stop, but I just wanted everyone to see. Has this ever happened to you?